Urban areas today suffer from poorly planned infrastructure, leading to inefficient land use and overcrowded spaces. Traditional urban planning methods often fail to account for the dynamic growth of cities, leaving valuable land underutilized. But what if we could change this? By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, we can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, optimize land usage, and update outdated planning models to create smarter, more sustainable cities for the future. Welcome to UrbanVista, your all-in-one platform for exploring empty plots. Start by viewing real-time weather updates with a detailed 5-day forecast presented in stunning graphs. You can also access geographical data of your selected location, including water reserves, rivers, forests, and national parks. Here's the plot registration page, where users can mark empty plots on the map and highlight nearby areas. It's simple to register a new plot, giving you full control over how it's categorized. Now, smoothly transitioning to the main dashboard, where all your interactive features come together. Watch as the Earth rotates to display historical places. In the bottom left, you'll see key facts about these sites, while the bottom right provides practical tips to help protect the environment. Click on the additional options to apply filters based on the type of plot you're searching for. Once applied, type Thane into the search box and watch the system find relevant plots for you. Select a marker to view plot details. Yellow markers represent plots reserved for environmental purposes, blue markers for infrastructure, and red markers indicate plots with undecided usage. The user poll graph shows community feedback, and users can submit their own input through polls. Additionally, the time-lapse feature gives you a dynamic view of the plot, showing its development over time. At the top right, you'll find our advanced AI-generated recommendations, designed specifically for the plot you're viewing. These recommendations factor in climate, nearby infrastructure, and population to provide the best options. And with just a click, you can experience a 360-degree view that brings the suggestions to life, showing how the structures will look once built. It's a powerful way to visualize the future of urban development, all at your fingertips. Take a deeper look at the climate and historical data graph to assess the plot's viability. You can also head to the funding page to support environmental plots and contribute to their development.